welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can renew your license plate in Ontario. Before I proceed further, if you've not yet subscribed to my channel, please don't subscribe right now. So guys, I recently renewed my license plate in Ontario, and I have taken some screenshots to show you the process step by step. But yeah, because of some confidential information, at some places I have removed some identifiable information. The very first thing you do, go to Google, search for like Ontario license plate renewal. You'll get a site. You come here. Okay. Now, the very first thing you need to select here is whether your address has been changed or not. So, if yes, you need to notify them. There's a rule, but in my case, it was no, so I did. And then what you have to do here in this vehicle information, you need to put your license plate number and permit number. If you don't know what the permit number is, you can just click on this question mark. It will show you that vehicle registration document that you have, where exactly to pick that up. And then click on find vehicle. If the system is able to find vehicle, it will also give you the option like, do you want to renew it for 2 year or 1 year? Now it's free, but it needs to be done. Okay. So I selected 2 year. System is also going to check the insurance information. Okay. And odometer reading, you can just take a look at your odometer, what exactly. You don't have to attach any screenshot for it. Delivery address, it will ask if it's the same or change. So I select same and then go to the next. Now it will again give you the information that you have put over here, that you have put in the previous screen. It will take a look. And then here you need to put your contact information, term agreed, and then you'll put or click on checkout, and then that's it. This is done. And you'll also get an email. Okay. And you can also sign up for reminders. That's how it works, guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.